Hello everyone, welcome to Angus MacKinnon here today in Uttoxeter. We have the 2023 reg Ineos Grenadier. This vehicle is specifically finished in Donny Grey, and it also comes with a full dealership service history, 2 keys and only 1 former keeper, which is really good. And then also with Ineos, we are also an Ineos approved service centre, and we do also carry out all the service and warranty work on this vehicle prior to sale. So it's really good, really good for ease of mind. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'll be having a little walk around this vehicle with you. I'll show you what it looks like from the exterior and from the interior as well. Starting at the front then, we've got LED daylights on this vehicle, and as you can see there, it is also a 23 reg. Then moving around to the side, you'll see first we've got 4 alloys, and all 4 alloys are in really good condition. And then I will just stand back just to show you the side profile. This vehicle also is a little wet right now. Did try to clean it as good as I could, but I was never going to get all of the water off. And there is our second alley, also in really good condition. But if you do want to like what you see here, feel free to contact us, and we are more than happy to do a personalised video for you. Sure to see, you've also got some nice footsteps to make it easy to get into the vehicle as well, and just show you what it looks like from the rear. Then you also have got a tow bar with a really good towing weight. And then if I just open this rear door here, and then just show you what it looks like from inside here, loads of space, loads of really good storage. And then if I just come round to show you this next alley, also in really good condition, just like all of them. And then finally the fourth one here as well, yes, again, immaculate condition. This vehicle also does have a rear camera just at the back here, as you can see, just underneath that, which is really good for the parking. And then so I just walk around the front here to the passenger door. So I just open this here and just show you what it looks like from this side. As you can see, we have also got 2 little sunroofs up here. I'll show you about them in a second. We've also got the really nice Recaro seats, full leather front and back, and you have also got heated seats in the front as well. Then if I just quickly show you what it looks like from the back, there is so much legroom in this vehicle, it's just insane. We have also got air vents in the back, as well as 2 charging ports down there. And then finally you've got your Isofix child mounts as well. So what I'll do now, so I'll go and sit in the driver's seat. I will show you what it looks like from the front. So here we are then inside the Ineos. What I'll do is I'll start from the right and make my way to the steering wheel, talking about your multifunction, and I'll also talk about the screen and all the controls that we have. First of all then, really good visibility in this vehicle. As you can see, if I pan my camera around, you paired with that reversing camera, you have got loads of visibility. Then first of all, we've got our wing mirror controls, as well as our window controls. Then on this side you've got your phone hands-free, you've got your cruise control as well, and then you've got your volume adjustments on this side. If I just turn the wheel to the left, there you've got your light stalk and your indicator stalk. Then on the right, you see we've got our wiper controls there. So moving to the middle, looking at the screen, really simple to use. This vehicle also does come with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If I just click on device, there you go, you can just connect your phone wirelessly, click on which one you prefer to use depending on your device, and then it just simply connects. It's really good. If I start off with the off-road mode, as you can see, you've got your different modes here. really cool, really simple to find. Then if you go onto phone, this is where you'll go to connect your phone. You'll be able to see like your contact history and your calls. Then on audio as well, this is where you will access your radio. You've got FM, AM and DAB, which is yet again really nice. Going back then onto settings, as you can see, you've got your general settings, your display settings, everything like that is in here. So if I just click on display, like you can change your brightness, and you can also reset them as well. Moving down to here, you've got your heated seats. Both of these work and work really well. I just turn them off. There we go. And then you've also got your temperature control. You have got climate control in here, as you can see, with the recirculation as well. You've also got your park assist down there, your start-stop system, as well as your demisters, and then your hazards in the middle. This is also an automatic. You got your nice, easy to use, basically the same as all the Range Rovers. Then finally, you've got your handbrake here, and then you've also got a nice, if you don't want to use the touchscreen, you've also got all your controls down here. Then up here, we've got things like your assistance and your exterior lights, as well as your interior lights. And then finally up here, we've got the sunroof. If I just try and open this, just pull that up and then push it up. Really easy to use. And then there you go, that is your sunroof open. Then if I just close this, there we go. And then that is pretty much it. You've got your auto dimming rear view mirror there, and that is the inside of the Ineos. So this is it then. This was the 2023 Ineos Grenadier. This vehicle, just like all other vehicles here at Angus MacKinnon, come with 3 months warranty as standard, and we do give you the option to upgrade all the way up to 36 months. And also we do offer a really good variety of finance packages, and if you do want a more detailed video of this car going into even more of the specification, feel free to contact any of our sales team. We are more than happy to assist you with a personalised video. And that is it for this one. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.